Welcome all. So in this session we are going to find median of ungrouped data. So stay tuned. So before finding median, let us know what is meant by grouped and ungrouped data. So when data is in the form of interval like 0 to 5, 6 to 10 or 11 to 15, such data is called grouped data. Or when data is individual like this, then such data is called as ungrouped data. So in this session we are finding median of ungrouped data. Now first of all, let us know what is meant by median. So median literally means a middle number. Suppose you have a frequency like this and we have to find a median. So first thing what to do, arrange that this in ascending order, and whatever the middle number comes, that is our median. Now if the data is odd number, then such time what we do, we just take middle two numbers and find their median, and then we find their mean, and then we calculate its median. Now this is when the data is very small. If the data is bigger, that time we use formula. Now for odd number what we do n plus 1 upon 2, and for even number what we do n upon 2 plus next wala number divided by 2. This way we find median. Now let us find the median of this given data. Now suppose we have to find the median of the given data. Then how to do? Let's see. A test is taken. There are 3 students who have scored 11 marks. There are 5 students who have scored 12 marks. There are 2 students who have scored 13 marks. 1 who have scored 14 and 4 who have scored 15 marks. So what to do? Let us do it. 11. 3 students who have scored 11 marks. Then we have 5 students who have scored 12 marks. Then we have 2 students who have scored 13 marks. Then we have 1 student who have scored 14. And then we have 4 who have scored 15. So now let us find. Okay. 1, 1, 2, 2, this. So the middle number is 12. So the median is 12. Now let us find it using formula. So what is the formula? When it is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 or then we have n plus 1 upon 2. So how much is n? 5 plus 5 is 15. So it is 15 plus 1 upon 2 is equal to 16 upon 2. So 2 ones are 2, 8. So 5 plus 3, 8. Again it's 12. Now there is one more method to find the median. Let us see this, and that method we call as a cumulative frequency method. Okay. So CF. So here what is meant by cumulative? Now suppose you one student in first week he is absent for 4 days. In second week he is absent for 3 days. So cumulatively at the end of the second week he is absent for 7 days. So here what we have done, we have added these frequency to this number. So we have got the cumulative. So here also we are going to do the same thing. Now see, first frequency write is as it is. Now add this frequency to this. 6 plus 7, 13. Now again add this. So doing that we will get a cumulative frequency table like this. Okay. So here what we need to check? We need to check that this number and this is equal. Then we say our calculation is correct. Okay. So now after finding that, what we do, so we have a formula. So here so after calculating mean frequency, what we have to do, we have to find n upon 2. So 84 upon 2 is 42. Now 42 is our cumulative frequency. Now we have to find this 42 where it lies. So it is near to 45. So this row here somewhere near 50 our median lies. Okay, so this number, this frequency, we call it as FM. So FM means frequency of the median class, and here 30, because 42, below 42 it is 30, so we call it as FB. So what is FB? FB is below frequency, or we call it as a preceding frequency also. Now to find median, we have formula M is equal to L plus N upon 2 minus FB upon FM multiply C. Now what is L over here? L is lower limit. Now what is lower limit? Suppose we have a data like 0 to 5 or 6 to 10, then this number is what we call as a lower limit. But here we have only single number. So here whenever we have one whole number, that time we subtract 0.5 from that number and we get our lower limit. Or if the number is in the form of decimal, that time we subtract 0.05 and we get our lower limit. So here what is our lower limit? Lower limit is 14.5 plus what is n upon 2? N upon 2 is, we have calculated 42 plus FB. So what is FB? This is our frequency. So below frequency FB, this is our FB. It's minus 30. I am writing over here. So it is 14.5 plus 42 minus below frequency 30. This is FM. So what is FM? FM is frequency of the median class. So it is 15. So 14.5 plus 12 upon 15 is equal to 14.5 plus 0.8 is equal to 15.3. So this is our median.